Hello guys, today I'm making the egg curry. For the egg curry, I need some ingredient that I show you. I have a 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I have a 2 chopped chilies, 2 teaspoon of grinded ginger, 2 teaspoon of garlic. I have some cilantro leaves, 1 finely chopped onion. I have a 2 raw egg and 3 boiled egg, 2 tomato that I roast in the oven for half an hour. I'm going to make a masala for the egg curry now. So I have to put the pan on the high heat. Going to add some oil, like 3 spoon of oil. Let it heat up. Oil is ready. I'm going to put the cumin seeds. I'm going to add the garlic and ginger. I'm going to add the onion. Let it get brown. It was 5 minutes, so it's not prepared yet. So I'm going to put a little bit hot water. I'm going to add a little bit more water. I don't want my onion get burned. I'm going to add a little bit more water. I'm just going to put the heat on the medium. The onion is prepared. It takes me 12 minutes to prepare this onion brown. So I'm going to add the salt, turmeric powder. Going to add the chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder. I'm going to add some chili. That you can put according to your taste. I'm going to add some water. I'm going to let it cook for 1 minute. So I'm just getting ready for my tomato. I'm going to peel the roasted tomato. I don't want the skin on the tomato. It is better to put the tomato without skin. It tastes better because the skin is not good in the masala. It's come in your mouth. I'm going to add the tomato puree. Mix this all well and then just put little bit more water. I have to cook this one for 3 minutes. In the meantime, I have to cut this egg. You can cut according to your taste, and you can cut like 3 pieces, 1 egg, or you can cut 2 pieces. I show you 2 egg before in the ingredient. I'm going to show you how I make this egg to put in the curry. I have put like little bit more water for the gravy, like half a cup water. I'm going to add some cilantro. Let it boil. Now it is boiling, but I'm going to add little bit more water. Just cover it and put for 2 more minutes. Let me check the gravy. It was done. So it's time to put the eggs. This is done. I'm going to put in a bowl.